Bishop was looking for grade 2 children during playtime. She saw 25 grade 2 children at the primary plaza. Then she saw 16 grade 2 children at the Astro. How many grade 2 children did Miss Bishop see in all? What does all mean in this problem? Pause the video and give it a go. Okay, did you say that in all means all together, or added up, or addition? We are looking for how many children altogether Miss Bishop saw. So let's use our base 10 blocks next to build this problem with our place value chart. Pause the video and give it a go. Let's build the problem. We know that first Miss Bishop saw children in the primary plaza. She saw 25 children in the plaza. I'm going to organize my base 10 to really see that clearly. 20 and 5. Then she saw 16 at the Astro. That's 10 and 6. If I put that all together, I can see that there are 30. Oh, I can make a 10 frame, 10 and 1. Wait, how much is that all together? I notice that I have 10 ones here. That is the same as 10 ones in a 10 long. So I can actually trade these 10s for a long, and then it's not ones anymore, it now becomes a 10. So altogether I have 4 10s and 1 1. Go ahead now and draw this problem with a part-part whole and a 10 and 1s chart. Use an efficient way to show your thinking. Pause the video now and give it a go. Okay, we know we were trying to find all of it together. So we had 25 children at the primary plaza and 16 children at the Astro, and we were finding all together. I'm going to do my 10s and 1s to check that I'm correct. I had 25 at the primary plaza and 16 at the Astro. I know that the ones together, I made a 10 before, so here was 5 and 5 was 10, and I actually moved it over to here. So then I didn't have these anymore here, I had them moved over here. So I had 4 10s and 1 left over. So my total was 41. Let's write our numbers and symbols for this problem. We had 25 in the primary plaza and 16 at the Astro, and altogether that was 41. So I can write 25 and 16 is the same as 41. Let's try another one. This time, Miss Bishop saw 34 grade 2 children at the bus bay and 26 grade 2 children at the Astro. How many grade 2 children in total, all together or in all? Pause the video and use your base 10 blocks and the place value chart to build this problem. When you finish that, go ahead and draw your part-part whole and your 10s and 1s chart. Pause now and give it a go. Okay, let's see what you built. We know we had 34 at the bus bay, so that's 3 10s and 4 1s. I'm going to organize myself really clearly. Then I had 26 at the Astro, that's 2 10s and 6 1s. And I know 3 and 3 is 6, so I'm going to organize it that way. Now I want to put it in total all together. Well, like before, I noticed that when I put these together, I actually have 5 and 5 is 10. And I can trade that out for a long or a 10 block. It can't stay in ones anymore, so I move it over here. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 in total. Let's see what we drew. I know that there were 34 at the bus bay and 26 at the Astro. Now I'm going to draw it to see if my total is the same. I had 34 and 26, and when I put these together, it actually makes a 10 that I moved over to the tens, and I didn't have any ones left. There were 0 ones left when I moved them, and there were 6 tens, so I have 60 in total. Let's write a number sentence. I had 34 at the bus bay, 26 at the Astro, and 60 in total. What symbols can I use? 34 and 26 is the same as 60.